Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, children. Good morning, dears. How are you all?
We are fine, thank you.
Fine. All are doing good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the tables and multiplication problems? Are you going through all the tables and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sure. And what about the multiplication problems? I told to do at least 2 problems every day. Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday you did?
5 problems, ma'am. 5 problems.
5 problems you have done. Very good.
I reached till 4-digit numbers.
Oh, wow. Good. Okay, so every day if you will do the multiplication problems and if you will go through the tables every day, then the multiplication will become very easy for you. And during the exam time also, it will not take too long to complete your work, isn't it? So good.
Yes.
If you are doing it, very good. So I told today we will be starting a new chapter, isn't it? Time.
Yes, ma'am. Time. Ma'am, this book.
No, don't take any book now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Most of you know how to read the time, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes. It is going according to some table. It is related, which table? It will, 5 table. Yes. Okay, 5 table. When the minute hand will reach to 1, it will be 5 minutes. When it will reach to 2, it will be 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
You have to just look at the products, isn't it? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. When the minutes hand will reach to 60, 60 lines, when it will go across 60 lines, then it will become 1 hour, isn't it?
Ma'am, I have a clock watch.
Okay, you have a watch?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes, yes. Good. Yes. So I'm going to show you a clock on the board. Don't take any book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, dear.
Good morning.
Yes. This is a clock. Can you see the clock? Is it
Yes.
visible? Yes.
Yes,
This is a clock, isn't it? The numbers which is written inside is for hour.
Hour.
12 hour, it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, isn't it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the small lines which are inside the clock is for minutes, isn't it?
Yes.
It is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5. When it will reach to 1, it will become 5 minutes. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and it will reach to 2. In this way it is becoming 60 minutes. Small 60 lines will be there.
1 hour.
Suppose the short needle is at 12 and the big needle is at 1 o'clock. Then it will be read as 12:01, isn't it? Then it will reach to 2, then it will reach to 3, then it will reach to 4, then it will reach to 5, then it will go on like this, then it will reach to 60. When it will reach to 60, from here it will start, it will take a full rotation and again it will reach here. So at that time, this 12 o'clock will become 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
So 1 hour, to become 1 hour, the minute hand has to take the full rotation of the clock. That means it will pass through 60 minutes, pass through 60 small lines. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and the last 60. So you know how to read the time. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
They rotate 2 times.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. They rotate 2 times.
0 takes.
They rotate 2 times.
This one you are saying?
They rotate 2 times.
One time. The minute hand will rotate only one time. When it will rotate one time, 12 hour will become 1 hour. Then again, when it will take one rotation, 1 o'clock will become 2 o'clock. So 60 lines it has to pass through. It has to pass through 60 lines. Then it will become 1 hour. Now, let me see whether you are able to read the clock properly or not. Suppose the small hand is at 2 and the long hand is at 4. Then what will be the time? 220. It is at 4. So 4 into 5, 20. So it will be 220. 220. Suppose the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 7. So what will be the time now? 5. Short hand. Yes. Yes. The short hand is okay. The short hand is at 4. So first we have to write 4, put 2 points, and the long hand is at 7. So 7 into 5, 35.
Yes.
435.
435.
This first number is for our short hand, and this one is for long hand. Suppose the short hand is at 8 and the long hand is at 2. Then what will be the time?
810.
810. Since yes, the short hand is at 8 and the long hand is at 2. So 2 into 5, 10.
The minute hand.
Yes. So it is,
And
the
the
time
short
is
hand is
8:10.
the hour hand.
Yes. Okay. So this is the way time is read, isn't it? You know that.
Yes.
Okay, then what is the other thing? Yes. So first point, the short hand is called hour hand. Second point, the long hand is called minute hand. Third point, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Now, fourth point is this 15. Okay, one more thing. I will just suppose the please mute. Suppose the short hand is at 1 and the big hand is at 3. Then what is the time now? 1:15.
115.
15. 3 into 5. 15. In 15 minutes. There is another way of representing this time. If it is 15 minutes, we can call it as quarter past. For 15 minutes, you can also use quarter past and the hour will be same. Suppose the time is 3:15. Instead of this 15, we can write quarter past.
And what is mean by quarter past?
Quarter past means a small part. Only this much part is quarter. When it will be 30 minutes, the half of the clock is taken, isn't it? So for 30 minutes, we can use half past because half of the clock is taken. So it is half past. For 50 minutes, only a small space is only a quarter. This space is called as quarter. Small space. So for 15 minutes, we can use quarter past. For 30 minutes.
You are quarter past.
What is that?
5 and 10 are quarter past.
Yes, 5 and 10 are also quarter past. That you will learn in the next class, in 4th standard. Okay, now you have to learn about 15.
Okay, ma'am.
When the time is 6:15, in the other way, we can also write it as quarter past.
Quarter past.
Past 6.
Quarter past.
Now, suppose the time is 6:30. It is 6:30. You can
half minute.
half past.
Half past.
Past.
Half
The
minute.
hour will be same.
Past.
6. The hour will be same. Suppose the time is 9:15. Then it will be quarter past. Quarter past 9. Suppose it is 9:30. Then it will become half past.
Half past. Half past 9.
Yes. 30 means this is 30 and half of the clock is used. So it is half past.
Half past.
This part means 15 minutes means only a small part
Quarter
is
past.
used. So it will be quarter past. Okay.
Quarter past.
Now next page.
Page.
So one more thing is there, quarter past, quarter to, half past. Quarter to is also there. It is used for 45 minutes. That we will do it tomorrow on Wednesday. Okay. Today we will just do quarter past and half past. See here. First one, the time is 3:45. Look at the shorthand. Shorthand is near to 4, but it is not, it has not reached to 4, isn't it?
No.
So, the R is 3, and since it is at 9, 5 into 9, it will become 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
When you will take minutes, you have to multiply with 5. It is not page, it is another one. It is not from the book. This page is not from your book. Okay. Now this one, here in the second one. What is the time? Not 9. Shorthand. First you have First you have to check the shorthand.
6. Ma'am, 5:45.
Not 6. Not 6.
5:45.
Yes. 1 second. 1 second. I am just muting you just for explaining. See. First one is already done. Second one. First number is for shorthand. Second number is for longhand. The second one, the shorthand is between 5 and 6. It is near to 6, but it has not reached to 6. See, it has not reached. So since it has not reached to 6, you have to take the previous number. It has not reached to 6, so you have to take 5. And since the longhand is at 9, multiply with 5. 5 into 9 is 45. So that is the minute. The first number is for hour hand, shorthand. And the second number is for the minute hand. You have to multiply with 5 and you have to write the time. Here, third one. The shorthand is near to 8, but it has not reached 8. Draw the line like this. It has not reached 8. Since it has not reached 8, it is 7, the previous one. And the long hand is 9. At 9, so 9 into 5, 45. So by looking at the shorthand, don't write that it is 8:45. You have to check whether it has reached to 8 or not. If it has not reached to 8, you have to write the previous number. Got? In the next one, Arav. Here, this one, fourth one.
The big is 9.
Yes, first you have to write for the shorthand, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Where it is?
9.
Huh?
11.
10. You said 10 first? I did not hear. See.
10.
10. It has not reached to 11. It is here. Since it has not reached to 11, we will take it as 10. And the minute hand is at 9. So 5 into 9, 45. Okay, Arav. Sarah. Next one.
Yes. 2, 1,
It is here.
1,
Yes, 1,
45.
45. 9 into 5, 45. Okay, good. Next one, Ashwell. First, you have to write the R hand, where the R hand is in. Which number?
Ma'am, that is 9.
Yes, 9. It is in between 9 and 10. It has not reached here. So, you have to take 9. 9,
9, 45.
45. Okay, good. Paul,
Yes, ma'am.
next one. The last row, first one.
11,
Yes, 11. It has not reached to 12. So, it is 11,
11, 45.
45. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, Ayush, the next one.
Yes, ma'am. 4,
Huh.
45.
Yes, 445. It has not reached to 5, so that you have to take the previous one. 445. Advait, the last one.
Yes, ma'am. 7.
It is here. Yes, 7. 7, 45. Since it is at 9, the minute is 45, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, now we will do some drawing the hand. We will do it afterwards. Now do one thing, children. So quarter past is for 15 minutes, half past is for 30 minutes. The short hand is called minute hand, hour hand, the long hand is called minute hand, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. These are the points you have to remember. Okay, so take your rough book, we'll write some notes. So today's date first, 13, 9, 21. Chapter 8, time. Right, we will write in short. I will send the notes today. First point, shorthand. Shorthand is R hand, HOUR. When you will write the time, first number is for R hand. Second one, long hand. The long hand is called minute hand. Third point, 1 hour. It will become 1 hour when the long needle will move 60 lines, when it will cross 60 lines. What happened to Jodha? Jodha is about to cry. What happened, Jodha? Unmute, my dear. Okay, she doesn't want to unmute. Okay, then no problem. Shorthand is called hour hand, long hand is called minute hand. Third point, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Fourth point, quarter past is used for 15 minutes. fifth one, half past. Half past is for 30 minutes. Sixth, quarter two. That we will learn. Quarter two is for 45 minutes. The questions we will do tomorrow on Wednesday. So these are the points to be remembered in this chapter. Now below that, a clock has to be drawn. Draw a circle, put a point in the middle, then 4 lines like this. This is for 12, 3, 6 and 9. Then put 2 lines like this. This is for 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, then 9, already there, 10 and 11. Then what you have to do is just write the minutes. When it will reach to 1, it will be 5 minutes. When it will reach to 10, it will be 10 minutes. When it will reach to 3, it will be 15 minutes. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. And for 6, it is 30 minutes. For 7, sorry, it is 30. Minutes. This is 35. This is for 40. Then 45. 50. 55. Then the last one for 12, it is 60 minutes. Done? Heaven. Finished. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to give some. If you have not finished, no problem. I will be sending the notes. Anyway, the clock has to be drawn. The numbers has to be, the dials has to be drawn over there. The numbers has to be written. Then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that. The minutes. Okay, now I'm taking a new page here. Now I'm going to give the question. Write the time using quarter past for 15 minutes or half past for 30 minutes. Now the question, first one, 6:15. Second one, Abdul, Nehan. Second one, 8:15. Abdul, Nehan, what are you doing there? 8:30. 4th one, 9:30. 5th one, 12:15. 6th one, 1:30. Two problems I will just do for you. First one, it is 15 minutes. Since it is 15 minutes, it is quarter past 6. If it is 30 minutes, you have to write half past. And the hour will be same, no changes. Okay, rest of the problems you do. If it is 15 minutes, check the minutes. If it is 15, quarter past. If it is 30, half past. Okay, we will discuss the answers. It's not too tough. Heaven, first one is already done. Second one.
Second one is quarter past.
Quarter past.
That is 8.
Yes, quarter past 8. Good.
Thank you.
It is 8:15. Since it is 15, quarter past, and the hour will be same. Quarter past 8. Fourth one, Jodha. Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Half past 9.
Yes. Okay, good. It is 30 minutes. For 30, we use half of the clock, 30 minutes. Half past and the hour will be same. Devana, fifth one. It is 15.
Sister past.
Huh? What past?
Sister past.
Not kister, it is quarter. 8. Say once again. Fifth one.
Quarter past 6.
6. Why? What is the hour given? What is the number? 8 in the fifth one. The number is 12, isn't it? This number has to be written over here. Quarter past 12. Got, Devana? Devana, are you there? Okay, she's not responding. Network issue, I think. So, Devana? Okay, so the last one, Srived.
Half past 1.
Yes, it is 30 minutes, so half past. And after half past, this time is to be written 1. Good, good, Srived. Okay, so this was the thing. For 15 minutes, it is quarter past. For 30 minutes, it is half past. And for 45 minutes, we use quarter to. That we will do on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, you have to bring your workbook part 2. Time is in part 2. So bring your workbook part 2 and rough book also with you when you will come to the class. Okay, so from time, only reading the clock and drawing the hands of the clock is included for the test. And in multiplication, you have to learn MCQ questions from the workbook and the problems which is given in the notebook. Word problems and other things are not included. Okay, dears. Okay, Jodha is having a clock. Jodha, what is the time, Jodha?
Time is 11:48.
Ah, very good. 11:48. It has not reached to 12. It is near to 12. So it is 11. Good. Okay, now I am going to unmute everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Meet you on Wednesday. Bye-bye. Bye.